Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how you can leverage Minder to block pull requests that contain malicious open source dependencies. Most teams today use vulnerability scanners to find CVEs in their open source dependencies. But these scanners may neglect to flag malicious or deprecated packages that don't have any CVEs, even though these packages pose an even greater threat to your supply chain. That's why we have added support in Minder to scan and block pull requests that contain malicious packages using data from the open source OSV project so that they can't inadvertently be merged into your code. Stacklok's free-to-use web app Trusty provides data and scoring on the supply chain risk of open source packages. It includes packages from 5 different ecosystems. Trusty regularly ingests data from osv.dev to determine whether any of these open source packages have been reported to be malicious. Taking as an example requests with a double T. When a package is reported as malicious, Trusty does 3 things. It automatically gives those packages a score of 0 to indicate high risk. It adds a flag at the top of the page to warn developers that the package is not safe to use. It suggests alternative packages that are safer to use. Minder, Stacklok's software supply chain security platform, now includes an out-of-the-box policy that enables you to block pull requests that contain malicious packages, based on data from Trusty. Here we can see a stripped-down version of the policy configured for the Python ecosystem. This profile has a single rule of type PR Trusty check, configured in such a way that it opens a blocking PR comment if it finds evidence of malicious dependencies being added. So let's create the profile. And I will also show that I have previously registered a Python repository, for example. This is also reflected in Minder UI, where you can see the registered repository and the newly created profile. Now, let's look at what happens if I try to open a pull request to add a dependency which was mistyped as requests with a double T. Let's try to have it merged. As you can see, Minder quickly reacts to the newly opened pull request by adding a blocking comment and preventing it from being merged.